Hello everyone, my dear friends, this is Vipul Purohit and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. My dear friends, as you can see over here, the title is Electrochemistry. So we try to go for the basics of electrochemistry. So what is electrochemistry, my dear friends? Electrochemistry is a branch of chemistry, obviously. Okay, it is a branch of chemistry. Now that branch of chemistry which is going to deal with the interconversion of electrical energy as well as chemical energy. Okay, that branch of chemistry is called as what? Electrochemistry. So in simple words, we say electrochemistry, electrical energy, and this is chemical energy, and it's interconversion like this. Okay, so electrical energy can be converted into chemical energy. At the same time, the chemical energy can be converted into electrical energy. Okay, now the device in which this conversion takes place is called as a cell. What is it called as? Cell. Okay, now depending upon which energy is getting converted into which energy, so accordingly we have got two types of cells. Okay, and that is, first one is when we talk about electrical energy being converted into a chemical energy, then we call that cell as a electrolytic cell. Okay, so if the question is asked, define electrolytic cell, so your answer is very simple, my dear friends, and that is, it is a device in which electrical energy is converted into chemical energy. Okay, next is, the other possibility that we have is chemical energy being converted into electrical energy. So here the electricity is generated. Okay, in this case the electricity is consumed. So this type of a cell is called as electrochemical cell. So my dear friends, if the question is asked, define an electrochemical cell, so in simple words we have to say it's a device in which the chemical energy is getting converted into, yes, electrical energy. Alright, so this is the first point that you need to remember. Once again I repeat, electrochemistry is a branch of chemistry which deals with the interconversion of electrical energy and chemical energy. The device in which this interconversion takes place is called as a cell. Which energy gets converted into which energy, that is related to electrolytic cell as well as electrochemical cell. Alright, यहाँ तक समझ में आया सब लोगों को? Alright, now we go ahead. Next thing is some another important points that we need to consider after what is electrochemistry, what is a cell, then also electrolytic cell as well as electrochemical cell. Next हम consider करेंगे and that is about electrolyte. Okay, what is a electrolyte? Now दोस्तों, electrolyte का मतलब होता है it is either in a molten state, जिसे हम fused state भी बोलते हैं, or it can be in a solution state, which allows the passage of electricity. Okay, which allows what? The passage of electricity. Now my dear friends, here I want to just explain you about the difference between a molten state or a solution state. Molten state का दूसरा नाम है fused state, and that is when I have a solid, मैंने उसको heat किया, वो पिघल जाएगा, and that is called as a molten state, or what I call it as a fused state. मैं आपको नमक का एग्जाम्पल देता हूँ. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा नमक को, वाइट सॉलिड है, लेकिन अगर मैंने उसको हीट किया तो एक पर्टिकुलर टेम्परेचर पे वो पिघल जाएगा, वो लिक्विड फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, एंड दैट इज मोल्टन स्टेट. नेक्स्ट इज सॉल्यूशन स्टेट. सेम एग्जांपल, मैं नमक का एग्जांपल ही देता हूँ, वाइट सॉलिड, लेकिन अभी मैंने उसको क्या किया, पानी में डाल दिया तो पानी में डिसॉल्व हो जाए, तो वो फॉर्म को हम बोलेंगे सॉल्यूशन स्टेट. ओके, तो शुरुआत तो हम लोग ने सॉलिड से किया है, अंत हम लोग ने लिक्विड में किया है, लेकिन जो तरीका है सॉलिड को लिक्विड में परिवर्तित करने का, उसके आधार पर हम मोल्टन स्टेट और सॉल्यूशन स्टेट को डिफाइन करेंगे. If I convert the solid to a liquid by heating the solid, then it's called as a molten state. If I convert the solid into liquid by dissolving it in an appropriate solvent, then I call it as solution state. You got it, my dear friends? Yes. So, what is an electrolyte is? It is either in a molten state or it is going to be in a solution state, which will allow what? The passage of ions. ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं हम लोग, क्योंकि ions are charged species. अगर charged species flow होगा तो उसके साथ electricity भी flow होगा. Okay? So this is electrolyte. I hope up to this is very clear to you. Yes, my dear friends, we continue now, and that is we talk about electrodes. Electrodes are generally solids and they behave as a medium either for deposition of the final product or evolution of the final product. Now that depends on the physical state of the final product. अगर final product solid है तो deposition होगा, अगर final product gas है तो evolution होगा. Okay, so what are electrodes are? They are solids which behave as a medium for either deposition or evolution of the final products. Okay, that is what is called as electrodes. Generally, electrodes are of two types. One is either they are inert, that means they just behave as a medium for this process to take place, or they can be reactive, where they are actually involved in the reaction. ठीक है? So ये दो प्रकार के electrodes होते हैं. Next thing is on the basis of polarity. दो type के electrodes होते हैं. Because see, when you talk about electricity, so we require a source of current. और जब हम source of current की बात करते हैं, so there are going to be two terminals, positive terminal as well as negative terminal. तो polarity के आधार पे electrodes, the behavior के आधार पे they can be inert as well as reactive. Now on the basis of ये क्या हो गया? On the basis of behavior. अब ये हो गया on the basis of polarity. So on the basis of polarity we have one is going to be called as anode, the other is going to be called as cathode. Okay, anode and cathode. अब ये पोलैरिटीज क्या होगा? दैट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द सेल. मैंने आपको बोला था दो टाइप का सेल होता है, एक इलेक्ट्रोलिटिक सेल और एक है इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सेल. सो व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट एन एनोड फॉर अ इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सेल इट इज नेगेटिव, लेकिन फॉर अ इलेक्ट्रोलिटिक सेल इट इज पॉजिटिव. ओके, तो इसका ऑपोजिट कर दो. सो कैथोड में हम बोलेंगे for an electrochemical cell it's positive, and for an electrolytic cell it becomes negative. Okay, so ये polarity है of the anode as well as cathode. Okay, so two types of electrodes. Once again I repeat, depending upon the behavior, one is inert, it doesn't get involved in the entire cell reactions. There are some electrodes which are actually involved in the cell reaction, those are reactive. Depending upon polarity, whether वो positive को connect है या negative को connect है, accordingly we have anode as well as cathode. उसका polarity depends upon the type of cell, जो यहाँ पर मैंने mention किया है. Negative है, anode is a negative electrode in a electrochemical cell. Positive है when it is a electrolytic cell. और जो भी polarity anode का है, उसका opposite is what? Cathode. Alright? Next is we talk about electrolysis. Now my dear friends, what is electrolysis? दोस्तों बहुत सिंपल शब्दों में ये एक प्रोसेस है. Okay, this is a process of decomposition. Okay, a breaking down of bond. So decomposition of a electrolyte. Electrolyte क्या होता है ये मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया है. Okay, so it's a process of decomposition, breaking down of an electrolyte. लेकिन किस तरीके से? By passage of electric current. Okay, by passage of what? Electric current. Okay, so this is what is called as electrolysis. So दोस्तों ये कुछ basic terms है, okay, of electrochemistry. So I just take a quick recap of what I have explained you in this particular session. हमने शुरुआत किया था पहले electrochemistry से. So what is electrochemistry, my dear friends? In simple words, वो है branch of chemistry which deals with the interconversion of electrical energy and chemical energy. The device in which this interconversion takes place, उसे क्या बोला जाता है? सेल. अब कौन सा एनर्जी किस में कन्वर्ट होगा उसके हिसाब से दो प्रकार का सेल है. अगर इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी इज गेटिंग कन्वर्टेड इनटू केमिकल एनर्जी, देन वी कॉल इट एज इलेक्ट्रोलिटिक सेल. And if a chemical energy is getting converted into electrical energy, we call it as a electrochemical cell. ठीक है. उसके बाद मैंने आपको बताया था about an electrolyte. Electrolyte is either in a fused state या फिर हम उसे बोलते हैं molten state, or it is a solution state, which will allow the passage of electric current. Okay, we can also say which allows the passage or the flow of ions. Okay, that is what is called as a electrolyte. मैंने आपको ये भी बताया था कि what is molten state as well as the solution state. Molten state means solid getting converted into liquid by heating the solid. Solution state का मतलब solid getting converted into a liquid by dissolving the solid in an appropriate solvent. Okay, so that is about electrolyte. Okay, so electrochemistry, cell, electrolytic cell, electrochemical cell, electrolyte. Then we talk about electrodes. Electrodes are generally solids. They behave as a medium for either deposition or evolution depending upon the final product. That is, deposition है तो solid है, evolution है so it's gas. Next thing is depending upon polarity, electrodes are of two types, cathode as well as anode. और उनका जो polarity है वो depend करता है on the type of cell. Okay, अगर वो electrochemical cell है तो anode is negative. Okay, so an electrolytic cell है तो anode is going to be positive. और उसका उल्टा कर दो तो हमें आपको पोलैरिटी किसका मिलेगा? कैथोड का. नेक्स्ट इज आई ऑल्सो एक्सप्लेन यू अबाउट व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस. सिंपल शब्दों में इट इज अ प्रोसेस वेयर देयर इज डिकम्पोजिशन, ब्रेकिंग डाउन ऑफ बॉन्ड्स फॉर इलेक्ट्रोलाइट. कैसे? बाय द पैसेज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. Okay, so these are, my dear friends, some basic terminology involved in electrochemistry. I am sure you have understood this very well.